Hi everyone, Mike here for MyKeyReviews. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the DualShock 4 500 million limited edition. So this controller actually comes with the 500 million limited edition PS4 Pro, however they did make it available to purchase separately. The limited edition Pro only had 50,000 units globally. Obviously a lot of upset people who couldn't get it, so yeah, I guess that's why they probably made the limited edition controller probably more units, because this actually took a couple of days to sell out on Amazon. Hopefully they get some more in stock, compared to the Pro, which sold out in about a minute. It went incredibly fast. And you know, transparent controllers, they always look great, but this one is in like a nice deep blue. So I'm just gonna unbox it and show you. Oh, okay, so we've got a little security sticker there. There we are. Okay, slide that out. Oh, so nothing else in it apart from the controller. And yeah, it just looks amazing. I think the pictures and obviously this video doesn't really do it justice. It's like literally like the perfect blue. So you got a nice grip on the rear here, and a nice feel on the front. Obviously very glossy because it's see-through plastic. And you have some you know, nice subtleties here. So got the share and options in kind of like a copper color, and also the same when it comes to the PlayStation emblem right there. However, what I want to know is, does it light up when it's turned on? So that we are going to find out. So I'm just going to turn this on. Turn off all these lights. Huh. Well, the answer is no. Quite disappointed about that, actually. Personally, I mean, to be honest, it's probably a preference thing. Some people will probably think that it's really distracting if the controller glows. I personally think it would have been a really nice touch, considering it's you know, transparent. I would have thought that the light would have gone around. If it had like a nice little subtle glow, I think that would have made it a lot better. That said, that doesn't take away of how nice the controller looks. It's actually very smart looking, even though a little bit of a dust magnet, just like the limited edition PS4 Pro here. I mean, they're just, you know, just out for a couple of minutes and it's already gathering dust. But yeah, I mean, like, overall, very, very nice design. I think a lot of people are going to go crazy when they get their hands on it, just because, you know, like, it's a bit of personality, you know, to your controllers. Everyone, you know, wants a different, well, most people probably, you know, they see a controller that's different from the normal black, and, you know, it's just something that, you know, gamers always like doing. They like customizing or, you know, getting something with a bit more character to it. This one certainly has a nice, smart design. But personally, I would have loved to see it light up. But, you know, once again, that's just my opinion. Anyway guys, that's it for this video, so hopefully you've enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.